Well, the Jeep Commander. Long time no see, dastardly old devil. But before long, we're going to be working you over. I got my head gasket set, and let's put this out of the weather. We're not working on you right now, but we got a head gasket set, and we also have a used head to replace the one that we had to borrow off of it to fix the Liberty. We're going to need to go through these rusty bolts and stuff and clean them all up and check out and see what we can use, what we cannot use. Things have just been sitting for way too long. It's time to get this thing back on the roll. It won't be much longer, and I'll be working it over. Appreciate your patience with this thing. It's been a long time, I know, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. I've just been working on so much other stuff and had so many other crazy expenses that I just haven't been able to focus on this. We have other cars to drive, so it hasn't been critical. I hate to see it rain in it, but it's not hurting anything. It's alright. Yep, Jeep Commander. It'll be on the road